So imagine you can process payments across Africa only with one API. So guys, this is where Pawapay comes in. These guys have got a very interesting API that you can use to process mobile money transactions across Africa. As you can see, Yango is using them. Bot, those are the ones I know. I don't know about these other guys. So you can see, guys, we cover 85% of all mobile money in Africa, spanning 19 countries. Guys, 19 countries. This is nice. Okay, so as you can see, these are some of the mobile money providers that are supported: Zamtel, Momo, Telcel, M-Pesa, Airtel Money, Vodacom. All these guys, all these companies, check this up: the Powerbit, Power, Yango, Give Directly. Yeah. So guys, if you're interested, I'll take you through this API and how you can start integrating in your apps. Thanks very much. It's very easy, it's very easy. Yeah, to work with their API is very easy. So guys, with these guys, you have got a sandbox. Okay, you have got a sandbox and live mode, and for you to go live, you need to, these guys, they don't have that option for startups yet, but they have options for companies. Yeah, maybe could be for regulatory purposes, where you need to provide your company details and stuff for you to start working with their APIs. Yeah. Okay. Pricing plans. Okay. If you go to there. Okay. So so these guys, you can see, guys. So this is MTN. Okay. This is MTN Benin. Okay, as you can see. So in Benin, they have got MTN, and this Move Africa, Burkina Faso, and you can see, for collections, they charge you like 1.5%, and for disbursements, they charge you like 1.5. Yeah. So what you need to do once you come on this platform, you need to create your account. If you already have one account, you log in. You can either log in as onboarding or live payments. Okay, so for example, if I go on live payments, I'll just log in with my Google account. So it's a very nice payment gateway, guys. Okay, so I've not even yet finished up setting my KYC, know your business. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is their dashboard, their wallet. You can see, this is, you see, Benin, everything, Burkina Faso, statements. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is, as you can see, it's even showing that it's on sandbox. Let me see. I think I've tested their API before, like once. Okay. Let me just go to wallets. Just go to page 2. See, this is my balance. It's showing like 10,101.85 in way. So this is my balance. Okay. Yeah. If I can run my API, or my API is running, where's my wallet? I've got this balance. Let's try to perform a certain transaction. So this is the amount. It's like 15. So yeah, if you remember very well, we have got this is our balance, so it should be something like 10,116. Yeah, because I'm doing transactions of 15 something cash. So if I just hit the end point, so this is what you'll be collecting from your client, your React apps. Why is my request failing? Let me try again. Okay, successful, accepted. Okay, and now you see, let's try to refresh this. If we just try to refresh the page, maybe they might not be using a real-time database to update prices. Oh, you see, guys, my transaction went through, so it's 10,116 kwacha. Yeah. So guys, yeah, this is how things work. Yeah, with the Pawapay. Once you log in, now I want to take you to user management, system configurations. So guys, for these guys, for you to generate a token, you need to set up, for example, if I come to generate token, if I say yes, oh, I already have one token, but you can see it. Yeah, unless I remove this one. Yeah, but for you to create a token, you need to set up what's called a callback URL. So like a callback URL is just an endpoint on your server where the payment gateway you're using will send back responses whenever you perform an action. So it's like a paired server to server communication. Your server sends a message to your payment gateway, then the payment gateway server sends back a message to you. So once you generate your API, your API token, this is the one that you use to authenticate your requests to Pawapay servers. Yeah. So go back URLs. So let me just take you to the API docs quickly. This is just a quick walkthrough, guys. Okay. They take you through what's mobile money. So I'll just take you straight to deposits. Deposits allow you to request payments from a customer. Funds will be moved from customer's mobile money wallet to your account in Pawapay. Okay. So guys, so this is the example. This is the endpoint you're going to use to make your post request. You put the deposit ID, which should be unique, the amount, the currency. So this currency should be the currency you're going to use for that country. Yeah, so for Zambia it's ZMW. Okay. Yeah. So so this should be RWA, if I'm not mistaken, should be Rwanda. Okay. Yeah. Then I need to find yeah, so they even have sandbox test numbers. So as you can see, so Benin deposits, you can use this for completed, for submitted, failed. Okay. For Burkina Faso, they have got these test numbers. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to deposits. Okay, let's go to initiate deposit. Okay, so guys, this is how I'll just take you through this endpoint. Okay, how you can request payments with Pawapay. So you just make what's this a post request to this endpoint here. Then you get your token from your dashboard, like I showed you. Then you say header is equal to content type application JSON, and this is the data that you send. So the most important is the deposit ID. You can even copy this JSON and use it. What you like, so in your code, your front end, what you'll be changing only is the provider and the phone number, and what else? The most important things, yeah, and the currency. Yes, those are the most important thing. So the user will select country. If it's Zambia, okay, then you can show him the providers that Pawapay supports, more Airtel Money, MTN Money, Zamtel. Yeah, anyway, I'll need to check if Zamtel is supported by Pawapay. Then what you need to do is now, another important thing is the currency. Yeah. So, but if you read through very well through the documentation, you can find all the supported providers, and yeah. So those are the main things that will be changing. And another thing that I noticed is deposit is the is this one, pre-authorization code. Yeah, this one, according to the documentation, they are saying pre-authorization code is only supported in Burkina Faso with Mango. So this is where when you send a request to your client needs to authenticate your request. That's when transaction can be processed. So, but for other countries, and if you don't want to handle that situation, you can just remove this part, the pre-authorization code. Yeah, because you won't get it from these other MNOs, like the mobile money providers. Yeah, I think it's only accepted in Burkina Faso. Yeah. So guys, yeah. So I came across this payment gateway because I've got a client in Cameroon. They're like, we want to support mobile money payments from different countries. Yeah. So then I was like, hey, let me share it with my community so that they can check them out. Yeah. So okay, I think I have got something here. So guys, let me just take you through. So this is my postman, and let me just start my small server. Let me. This is my small server that I'm working on. Okay, yeah. So like as you can see, just a small Node.js server. Okay, Pawapay token, then the base URL. Okay, yeah. Then I've got some helper functions and the request payment. So as you can see, I'm just getting the phone number, amount, client reference ID, order ID, the currency, and the provider. Okay, so let me run this so I can say node index.js. Okay, my server is running. Okay, now go to postman. So let me just try to make a request. Okay, so payment true, accepted. Okay, final status. So this transaction is for, so as you can see, the provider is MTN, Momo, ZMW. If I try to remove something like there, see, so guys, rejected, payment request failed, invalid parameter, value for parameter provided is invalid, please consult API documentation for validation. Okay, if I take back the O there for Momo, if I try to make the request again, oh okay, payment request was successful, guys. So guys, even with this reference ID, you can, if you want, you can even be generating it in the back end. Yeah. So this is how this API guys works. Okay. So you can try with different providers. Here I'm just testing with Zambia. So guys, as you can see, I'm getting the response from the API to say the API is working. So guys, this is what I just wanted to show you. Yeah, so this is just my simple code running. Guys, you can check them out so that you can start processing your transactions across Africa with Pawapay. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed my video and you want me to create more videos on payment systems, you can just comment. Yeah.